Hi guys, welcome to the Cloud Universe. Myself Naveen. In this video, we will learn how to use conditions in the Azure YAML pipelines. When I say conditions, a stage or a step must run only if the condition passes. I have a simple demo for that. Let's go to my pipeline. It's simple pipeline. Let's try to edit it. So I have two stages here. One is dev stage, and another one is QA stage. Now I just want to run only the dev stage or only the QA stage. I don't want to run both of them in one run. So what should I do for that? We can use conditions for that. Conditional 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 stage we can use for that, so that it runs only one stage according to the condition. So what for that, what we should do is use the keyword condition, and then what is our condition? Our condition is eq use single quotes, dollar, two curly braces, parameters dot development, close both the curly braces, comma, true. So I'll just explain what I have done. uh, my pipeline accepts two parameters. One is development and one is QA. According to the parameter chosen, the stage must run. If the user has chosen development parameter, uh, the first stage, that is dev stage, should run. If the user has chosen QA, then this stage must run. So I'll just use the same condition in QA stage also. I'll replace development with QA, and I'll save it. Now let me run this pipeline. So if I have chosen development only, if I have, I mean, I'm passing parameter a parameter development only now. If I run this, as you can see, only dev stage is running now. Let's wait for some time to complete it. It should not take much time, as it is very simple stage. So it has started the execution. So it completed the execution. So dev stage completed its execution. So as you can see, dev stage has completed its execution, and QA stage is skipped, because that condition says run only dev stage. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching.